Welcome students. It is our chemistry video of class 9 part 6. Students, we are discussing about some latent heat in our part 5th video and we will continue in that. Okay. So first हमने 5th वीडियो में पढ़ा था कि latent, what is a latent heat? We take just some introduction. Now we will discuss in brief what is it. First I will revise you what is a latent heat. It is that heat which is required to change the state only, not increase the temperature. Latent heat is that heat जो state change करती है substance की, like this ice to water. The heat which is required to changes the state, it's a latent heat and it doesn't increase the temperature. So, and it is known also a hidden heat which is hidden in an object, and it is also called as the absorbed heat because it absorbs some heat from the surrounding and changes the state of that substance. Like I give you example of ice. When I put onto my palm and it starts changes its state by taking some heat from my hand. So it absorbs some heat but the temperature doesn't rise. So it is known as the latent heat. Now the question is, when the object take heat, so why the temperature doesn't rise? Students, temperature तभी rise करता है किसी भी object का when the kinetic energy in that substance start taking place, or when the kinetic energy high, so the temperature of that substance increase. But you can understand from this, every substance, solid or liquid, having some force of attraction between the particles which holds them together, we know that. And if we want to change the state of another substance, so we have to break that force of attraction. And how we break that force of attraction? By applying heat, just to change the state. The latent heat which we supply is used up in overcoming the forces of attraction between particles of a substance during change of state. Latent heat हमें सिर्फ इसीलिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं उसको कि हमें सिर्फ उसकी स्टेट में चेंज लाना है, नॉट टू इंक्रीज द काइनेटिक एनर्जी, नॉट टू इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर. हमें सिर्फ उस वो हीट चाहिए जिस टेम्परेचर पे वो अपनी स्टेट चेंज करता है. दैट इज़ द latent heat. Okay, and they are of two types: latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of fusion is for when the solid changes its state to a liquid. Now here is a diagram of melting of ice to form water, means solid to liquid change. It is a beaker which having an ice cube and a thermometer, and there is a burner. Now the question is, we are giving a heat, so obviously the temperature will rise, but we don't want its temperature. हमें सिर्फ ये देखना है कि वो कौन सी ऐसी पोजीशन है जिसपे वो लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. पहले आइस क्यूब्स अपनी सॉलिड फॉर्म में हैं, हमने बर्नर ऑन करा, वी ऑन द बर्नर, एंड फर्स्ट डायरेक्टली मेल्टिंग स्टार्ट तो नहीं हो जाएगी. पहले वो कुछ हीट जो आइस क्यूब हैं, फर्स्ट दे एब्जॉर्ब हीट और चेंजिंग इट स्टेट. पहले वो एब्जॉर्ब करेगा हीट. सो the heat which the ice cube absorbed, it's the latent heat of that solid. So the changes in the state take place. After that the temperature rise, maybe kinetic energy increase, but we don't want that. We just want that heat which absorbed by the ice to changes its state. पहले हम किसी भी जब सब्सटेंस को हीट देते हैं या when we provide some heat, first work of that substance is to absorb that heat, and that absorbed heat it's known as the latent heat. Okay. The latent heat of fusion can be studied by performing an experiment. मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया. So, we take some crushed ice in a beaker and suspended a thermometer. Okay. Next, it is found to be 0 degree. Melting point of the ice is 0. We know that. And now the heat the ice gently by using small flame of the burner. We are supplying some heat. Now on heating, ice start melting to form water, and we keep on recording the temperature of melting ice on thermometer every minute. As more heat is given, more ice will be melted, but the thermometer reading remains 0 because the melting point of the ice is 0 degree and it's constant, which shows that there is no rise in the temperature during melting of ice, and the heat which is going into ice but not increasing the temperature is the energy, and it's a latent heat. You have to focus that कोई भी substance जब heat absorb करता है, first they absorb heat or changes its state, it's a latent heat. And the heat required to change the state of ice to liquid, I already discussed about it. So what is the definition? The latent heat of fusion or of a solid is the quantity of the heat in joules required to convert 1 kilogram of solid to a liquid without changing in temperature. So what does it mean? वो quantity, that quantity of heat which we require to change any substance, any 1 kilogram of substance to change the heat, and it's represented by the value of latent heat of fusion. You have to learn that value, which is 3.34 into 10⁵ joules per kilogram is the latent heat of the fusion. And the heat which required to change the state, first it loses the force of attraction between the ice, like it's ice having some force of attraction. When it takes some heat can be represented by delta also in chemical equations. When it takes some heat, absorb some heat, we call absorb some heat, the force of attraction between these molecules getting loose and it will changes its state. So the heat which is absorbed by the ice, it's a latent heat, and which is used to change 1 kilogram of solid to a liquid, and the value is 3.34 into 10⁵ joules per kilogram. Okay. Now the whole process is described here, which I already told you. Next is latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of steam when a liquid changes to a gas. When the liquid substance changes to a gas, और उसको जो heat required होती है, the heat which is required to change some liquid substance to gas, it's a latent heat of vaporization. You can understand from the word vaporization means when a liquid changes to gas, and fusion means when the ice changes to a liquid, so it's a fusion. And this whole process we will continue in our next video. Okay.